Let's start with the basics. Imagine your nervous system as the ultimate communication network. It's got three main players: the brain, the spinal cord, and a whole bunch of peripheral nerves branching out like tiny wires. Think of your brain as the CEO, the spinal cord as the information highway, and the nerves as the delivery guys, zipping messages all over your body. But who sends these messages? Enter the neurons, the superstars of the nervous system. We have three main types: sensory neurons, like little spies, detecting sights, sounds, and touches. Then there's the muscle movers, the motor neurons, telling your biceps to flex or your legs to run. And finally, the interneurons, the social butterflies, connecting everything and coordinating all the action. Now, these neurons aren't just blobs. They've got a sophisticated design, a cell body, the boss, sending out instructions, axons, like long lines, carrying messages, and dendrites, like bushy antennas, receiving messages from other neurons. It's all about information flow. Speaking of flow, how do these messages actually travel? Picture neurons as chatty neighbors. They don't directly touch, but they have special meeting spots called synapses, where they whisper chemical secrets to each other. These whispers create electrical signals that zip down the axons, spreading the message like wildfire. But where does the real action happen? Let's talk about the powerhouses, the spinal cord and the brain. The spinal cord is like a reflex champ, handling quick responses without bothering the brain. Think of touching a hot stove and pulling your hand away instantly. That's your spinal cord in action. The brain, on the other hand, is the ultimate thinker, processing all the sensory input, making decisions, and controlling your muscles. It's the CEO, remember? Here's what makes the human brain special. It's huge compared to our body size. And it's not just size, it's packed with interneurons, those social butterflies, allowing for complex thinking and communication. We are, after all, pretty amazing creatures. But the brain isn't one big blob either. It's divided into different regions, each with its own specialty. The brain stem handles basic functions like breathing and heart rate, while the cerebral hemispheres are the stars of the show, responsible for things like learning, memory, and emotions. And these hemispheres, they work together, but they also have their own talents. The left hemisphere is often logical and analytical, while the right is more creative and artistic. It's all about balance. Thesis, just the tip of the iceberg, friends. The nervous system is a fascinating, complex world, and we've only scratched the surface. But hey, that's what makes science so cool. There's always more to discover. So keep your curiosity burning, and join me next time as we explore the deeper mysteries of this incredible network. Until then, stay curious, stay awesome, and remember, neurons rule.